Hi guys, welcome to the Christmas vlog. Yeah, I never get for really video everything, but taking you guys on me show you what I did for the festive season. Never really do much this year, but whatever we do, we'll see another vlog here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. TJ is not with me right now because he's at home in the home, and I just leave the hairdresser, so we'll see a little bit of that too. I, dolled up, getting all dolled up. I'm gonna like drive and video because the something will lost the car mount, so I'm gonna really want to use my hand and hold the camera and crash. But we'll have a little, we'll probably go tomorrow, so we'll see that too, and whatever else is in this vlog. But happy holidays, Merry Christmas, hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and yeah, bye. So right now I do a couple errands today. It's the 23rd, today's the 23rd. I do a couple errands. I'm gonna drop off a package for a customer. I'm gonna do shit. I need to turn real quick. Yeah, so I'm gonna drop off a package for a customer at Knutsford, and then pick up some packages of my own, and just run a couple errands. So I'll take you guys with me wherever I go, we go. Oh, and then get some Christmas gifts for my loved ones. But yeah, see y'all in the rest of the clips. So this is me at the hairdresser earlier that morning. Went to get my hair done, get my wig laid, and if you haven't watched my birthday vlog, go watch it now. But this was the same hairstylist that did my birthday look, and she really did her thing with this one too. This is a reinstall of the same birthday wig, just in a different color, burgundy, which was custom colored by myself. Anyways, the girl do her thing for like 3 hours, but it's still 1 hour metal left on the girl. Anyways, she did her thing, and this was the final look. She always slay. Of course, her socials are on the screen, so you guys can check her out if you want. She's located in Portmore, and you're not gonna be disappointed if you use her. So tell her that TJ and Shan sent you. Use my discount code. See, joking, but tell her we'll send her over there, and she'll fix y'all up.
Hey, you will fix up and look for me. Watch how we nice. Yo. Chano.
It's a happy Christmas.
Oh, so me if you look
no,
shitty.
as in we go through a long year.
Brother,
we'll make it to the end of the year.
Bro, take the video for me, bro. Because that very bro, watch it.
So you're not gonna line up, you're gonna line up today. See?
Bro, no.
Yes, I know. But I never get for video nothing else. Honestly, the day I get I'm line up the window. Honestly, the day get thrown completely off. Everything I'm telling us that me that gonna do in an earlier part, I'm gonna get for none of that. Well, 1 and 2 things, and yeah, so now it get thrown off. So now I have just a couple more errands to do, and then I don't know what else I'm gonna do.
Yo, no way, next year.
Not even the going out part of everything I was supposed to seem like it's a go work out, but we're gonna make the best sides. What you say?
So next year, a slim TG. 6 pack. No, but a bit chunky, not fat.
Next year, God's willing, I won't be in the island for Christmas. Next year, let's be traveling. I'm speaking it into the
boppity boo.
I'll go on a cruise or something.
Or we'll be touring,
Or touring.
Yeah, still some form of not in the country.
Yeah.
Are you in the country?
Something nice.
You have to be sandals hopping.
What you boy then?
Which boy them?
Police.
Where?
Panda side.
Oh. You have to be sandals hopping. Yeah. You don't know.
Something fun.
Don't worry yourself, man. Later I line up my face, wash my ear. I can't bother pull it out now.
When they put on something later. Oh. guys. Bye. So we did end up going on party in a Portmore, but we never really get to vlog or do nothing. But this was just one of the pictures that we snapped there. So yeah. Well, yeah, 24th. Oh, girl, for sure. We never vlog yesterday, none at all. We get caught up, honestly. And we end up going party, so we get tired. Come in late this morning, so today the 24th. Still I gotta do some errands today and maybe touch the road later. Yeah. Guys, Merry Christmas, guys. So we're gonna try to get some food. I'm gonna show you the local location where I get food today. It's supposed to be a hidden gem. It's in Portmore. We put the information in the description. But yeah. Hope you're all having or all had a good Christmas and happy holidays. Merry Christmas when it comes.
Alright. Bless up. I don't know.
Yeah. So TikTok made us want to try the Dragon restaurant in Portmore, and we end up use Wigs app and it carry with the wrong location. So this was the first location where it carry. And yeah, when we will see the details. Down there?
Yeah.
So
Hello?
you sure yes, sir?
Call the phone. So guys, this is the place. Share the girl. That's the most.
No, on that girl.
Yeah, so this is the place, guys. The Dragon, that the name?
Yeah, the Dragon.
The Dragon, yeah. The hidden gem in what, West Bay? Yeah, in Portmore. So far, the customer service part of it. Yeah guys, so this is the Dragon in Portmore, West Bay. In Portmore, that's like going back road. Yeah. So far it's a Chinese restaurant, yeah. Literally run and owned by Chinese. But so far the customer service is poor. To get to the place. Hard to find. No signage, yeah.
And then when you call for directions, it's like
nobody can give you that information. You understand me?
Nobody
like
can direct you.
Even cashing is like is a bother when you cash, you get me? But we don't sample the food yet. So probably sometime you have to go through a rocky road to get something great or so forth. So we're gonna get back to you when we get the food, show you how it's looking, the presentation.
You have to wait an hour.
Yeah, you have to wait an hour for
or more, because you never know.
Yeah, it's not a regular Chinese place like that where you know, just walk in and you see sweet and sour mall and everything that they're done to order in a sense. Yeah.
And what we can say too is the real Chinese place where you order the meat and you get white rice with it as well.
So we're going to show you the food.
So we're showing you the food.
Yeah. So
if we not use the Wigs app, it might carry the wrong place. You can use the second one if that come up. Can't help on otherwise, but not for figure it out unless you know the area. But we'll show you the food and we'll get it.
So guys, this is Bayfront apartment, and when you come from back road,
when you come in that way, you
from
turn
the toll,
right.
that's from the toll.
From the toll, you turn right. If you're coming from Bayside or Port Henderson, if you know it as Port Henderson, you turn left.
Yeah.
And it's the first left after the
roundabout. And it's the first right after you come over the bridge from the toll.
Yeah. Alright then.
Yeah guys, so we're here to collect our food after our wait. Let's see if it's worth it. Yeah. Yeah guys, so this is a spot. You can see the menu here as well. Yeah. Nice spot. You can contact them. Nice place. Nice area. That's the area to the water.
When I get the white rice,
Pull up, sir.
get that.
Sweet and sour chicken. Mala. Chicken fried rice.
When I get the white rice,
Whenever I get the white rice.
I got ox.
Yeah. Thanks. Yeah, guys. So, whenever I get the white rice, so I check about white rice. But in the meantime, this is the mala. Sweet and sour. Yeah, guys. So, an idea. They wait on the to see if I get the white rice, because on the papers you can see it say come with a serving of white rice naturally. So we don't see that. Sean gonna check on that. Show over there. And check on that. There's it. Christmas Day and we just there, you know. A vlog and I'll take it through with where's it. There. Hopefully next year, God's willing, we can do more videos, more outings, reality, because you know I'm busy with the music as well. But next year, look for music being released, music videos and so forth, more performances and so forth. Yeah, building up the fan base, you get me? So yeah, we're here. I'm not sure if the Chinamen over there, what are they doing? But we're looking, and that's Bay right there. Oh my God, shake it baby, shake it baby. Say that for what?
Annoyed. So annoyed. Because she gonna say about someone says 2 months supposed to get it's 2 mini box. 2 mini box equal to 1 curry box. So she only give me 1 box of rice, 1 box of the white rice, and say it's 2.
That don't really make sense.
It doesn't.
Yeah.
Because what if
2 mini box don't equal
what
to 1?
if me I buy for somebody else?
Yeah, true.
That not make sense. You should have asked me if I want it separated or what.
Guys,
not coming back.
I think it's worth it.
Don't worth it.
Yeah, but we'll go taste the food and see.
So this was the next day, which was the 26th, Christmas Day part 2. If you know Jamaicans. If you're not Jamaican, it's too hard to explain. But anyways, we went to my parents' house for dinner with my family and watched nice food. This was everything that was there. Meat, potato salad, because what's food with a potato salad, rice and peas, some veggies, my sister and my mom, yeah, and then we had some cereal, we had I can't even remember right now, but this is me and my plate. A little bit of everything, had to touch everything. Anyways, this is the rest of the family, kids, nieces, nephews, my other sister there, my nephews, nieces. I said that already. But yeah, this was just, our little yearly Christmas get together. And of course, TG, man start eating food and belly full. And then, we just sat down, had a nice, lovely Christmas dinner. We never really get to vlog much else because, we're pretty much just trying to enjoy the moment. But everybody ate to their heart's content, drank some cereal. A few of us had ice cream. And then, yeah, chill the rest of the time. But, we did quite a bit. As I said, didn't really get to vlog much. We're going to try to do a better job at vlogging, as TG said. But a lot of times, we're both busy and whatever. But thanks for watching this vlog, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you're notified when we make another video or post another video. Let us know if you like this video in the comments and tell us what other type of content you'd like to see. But thanks, bye, see you in the next one.